Hello friends, Drew here on Winterset Court in the Heather Grove development in West Grove, Pennsylvania. Beautiful sunshiny day out here today. A lot of the HOA here in this community recently did their architectural inspections of the home, actually back in February before COVID, and sent a couple letters out. And of course COVID-19 kind of put everything on hold, but now they're starting back up with working on the enforcement of those letters and getting everybody into compliance with the requirements of the architectural inspection. So if you received a letter and you have some challenges in your house, we'd be happy to help you out. So we're working on one of the homes here. She had a white vinyl railing up around the deck, and the HOA architectural inspection letter gave her the requirements for the specific color and brand of railing. And actually that railing was discontinued. We do have another brand and model of railing that has been approved by the HOA committee that we can put up for you. So if your deck is not in compliance and you want to get a railing up that is in compliance, that we can absolutely assist you with that. The second concern that we had at this house was the capping color that was on the house. The aluminum was not in compliance with the colors that they had specified. And so we were able to get our painting team out here, and we were able to repaint the capping. We can recap your windows with new aluminum, the correct color, if you would prefer to do that. The other option is just to paint it and bring it into compliance that way. Either option is available, so I guess it depends, you know, the condition of your capping, how it looks into the window. Is it wrapped right? Is it waterproof? Is it doing what it needs to do? If it is, then painting is fine. If it's not, if there's water leaks, if there's challenges there, then our team can come in and we can recap it in the proper color for you. Either way, should last for many years to come. So if you've received one of those letters from the HOA, whether it's something about your deck, your railing is the wrong style, your railing is the wrong color, you're not getting the uniformity that the HOA is looking for, we can assist you with that. So this is one that we've been working on that had a white vinyl railing around, and it was not the right style, it was not the right color, and they've asked the homeowner here to change things. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 5 sections up. Norm is working right now on cutting the final section to go in, and we're going to get that installed for her. And while we were here, we stiffened up some of these posts. They were a little bit loose, and we also added what's called a rack brace under her deck. If you get on your deck and you do a little surfing action and someone's watching you and they can see the deck moving, that's a really simple, easy fix. We can put a rack brace up underneath, and it's not something you're going to hit your head on. It's really just a diagonal brace that runs from the inside corner kind of out to the beam flat up underneath the joist. And that rack brace, you'll be surprised how much that'll help stiffen things up. When we are redoing decks for a customer, we have a lot of requests for us to come in and remove the old pressure treated decking or the old composite decking and go back with new. And when we do that, sometimes we will find that there is not sufficient blocking in between the joists, that they're bouncing and they're not like they shouldn't be. We can put blocking in, we can add a rack brace, and that will absolutely help stiffen up the deck so that you're not running into those challenges. So this is the new rail coming in. They've got an aluminum top piece that goes inside, a structural piece that goes inside of this top rail to give you that strength and support that you need, so that you have the push pressure that will pass code, so that, you know, you're not going to just fall through the railing when you're leaning on it. And so Norm's got those cut, starting to bring the pieces out. We're going to get that installed, and then this project will be finished, and she doesn't have to worry about the fines or the challenges with the HOA anymore. So if you are living on Winterset Court here in the Heather Grove development in West Grove, and you've gotten one of those architectural inspection letters from your HOA and you need to bring things into compliance, give our team a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for COPE construction and renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. You can take a couple pictures, send us a copy of the letter. You can do that through email, office@copebuilt.com, or you can message those right here to us on our Facebook page using Facebook Messenger. Just click the contact us button up at the top, and you can even do that from your laptop or desktop computer as well. Send us details about what's going on and what your requirements are, what they need fixed for in your house, and we can bring our solutions to bear. If you're in a different community with a different HOA requirements, we can help you there as well. We've already got a lot of the specifics for what we need here on Winterset Court in Heather Grove, but we'd be happy to help you get into compliance with your community if that's something that you would like some assistance with. So here we were able to repaint the capping and get it into the correct color to solve that, and we took this white vinyl railing, switched it out for a different style in an almond color that the board has approved here, and so we're good to go in Winterset. She'll be all set. If there's another problem that we can solve for you, whether you want a deck built, you're looking for a kitchen, bathroom, basement renovation, you're looking to build an addition, custom dream home, a garage, just about anything that goes on in your house, we have team members who can help assist you with that. We're going to ask you to start by sending us some photos of your project and maybe a wish list of what you'd like to have accomplished. It's part of our virtual estimating system that we started about 2 years ago and worked very well through the COVID-19 situation, and we're just continuing with that. Take some pictures, send those to us here on Facebook Messenger, or email to office@𝗂𝘁'𝘀.com. Our team will work on spitballing and estimating a number for you for where we think that project's going to come in. We're going to talk with you about your target renovation budget, and you can read about this on our blog on our website, www.𝗂𝘁'𝘀.com. We'll talk about your target renovation budget, where you'd like it to come in at, and then we can use that to educate our team as we are making decisions for you about what kind of selections we're going to recommend and what price point those selections are going to be at, so that we can bring your project in on time and on budget. Once we have those recommendations together, we'll compile those for you. We can look at those together. We can schedule an on-site visit. We usually do charge a fee for the on-site consultation to kind of firm things up. And again, those are detailed, information is detailed on our blog, or you can ask our office staff about that when you call 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗂𝘁 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. When we're done with it, it's not just done, it's 𝗂𝘁 built. Norm's finished bringing out the rest of the pieces. He's going to put those balusters in, and then we're going to get this last section installed on the railing. We hope you found this helpful. If we can help you solve a problem, give our team a call. We will catch you guys on another video. Bye for now.
How do you spell baluster?